The first time I tried this treatment in my hair, I fell in love with it right away. And today I'm super excited to be sharing the recipe with you. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. And if you're new here, hey, you, hello. I'm so happy to have you join us today. And hey, before you even start watching, show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And I would love to hear from you. Leave me some lovely comments in the section below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing and clicking on the bell for more DIY videos to help you grow your hair. Without further ado, let's get into the recipe. The first ingredient I'm going to use for this recipe is shea butter. This shea butter is straight from Africa. Shea butter contains vitamin A and E with essential fatty acids which add moisture and shine to the hair. It softens dry, brittle hair and repairs split damaged ends as well. And for that matter, is the great ingredient for this recipe. The next ingredient I'm going to use is egg. Eggs are really great for our natural hair. Eggs contain vitamin A and E, biotin as well as folate, and these nutrients are really good for our hair because it helps keep hair thick and healthy. The yolk is loaded with healthy fats which helps replenish moisture and make strands look sleek and shiny. The next ingredient I'm going to use is coconut oil. Coconut oil helps moisturize and repair damaged hair. It can also help prevent dandruff and dry, itchy scalp, helping you to grow much healthier and thicker hair. The next ingredient is avocado. Avocados are packed with vitamins A, D, E, and so many other nutrients. It's also a great source of biotin, which is great for our hair growth. Avocados can help prevent hair breakages and also help you grow much stronger and thicker hair. The next ingredient I'm going to use is organic extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil contains vitamin E and other antioxidants. It can help prevent dandruff, dry, itchy scalp, and also help you grow much thicker and fuller hair. Also in this recipe, we're going to add aloe vera. Aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It has fatty acids and amino acids and is rich in vitamin A, B12, C, and E. And all these vitamins play a part in healthy hair follicles. Okay, so now that we know all our ingredients and also their benefits to our hair, let's go ahead and prepare the treatment. So I'm going to start by preparing my aloe vera juice. And I started by washing the leaf and now I'm cutting them into chunks. After that, I'm going to put them in a bowl of water and leave them sitting for about an hour. This process will help get rid of some of the latest, the yellowish substance in aloe vera, which might cause some itchiness. So I'm going to leave it for 1 hour. Then after that, I'm going to come back to it and strip out the gel. It's been about an hour and this is how the water is looking. You can see clearly it has changed color, and this is how to get rid of the aloe latex, because if you do not get rid of it, it might cause some itchiness to your skin. This was how the water was looking before. So make sure you're always soaking your aloe vera leaves before getting the juice out. So at this point, I'm just going to cut it side by side and get the juice out of the leaf. And guys, if you're still watching this video to this point, please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell. On this channel, I do a whole lot of DIYs that can help you grow your hair faster. So if you enjoy contents like these, please consider subscribing. All right, so now I'm getting out all the juice from the aloe vera leaf and I'm using my spoon to scrape everything out. I'm going to take my time to take out all the juice. I don't want to leave any good stuff behind. And this is what we have it now. And at this point, I'm going to put it in the blender and blend it away. And guys, I'm using the pause method. You blend and you pause, you blend and you pause, because I don't want to lose the slime of the aloe vera juice, because the slime also helps with this treatment. So make sure you're doing it this way. Then after that, I'm going to strain it and get all the juice out. If you do not strain it, you're going to spend the whole day picking aloe vera pulps out of your hair. So make sure you are straining your aloe vera juice. And look at that. Look at that. This is our juice and I love the thickness and how the slime is looking. So at this point, I'm going to put an egg into a bowl and I'm going to combine all my ingredients. The next ingredient I'm going to add is my avocado. I used 1 avocado for this recipe. Then after adding the avocado, I'm going in with my other ingredients, which is the coconut oil. Then after that, I'm going to go in with my shea butter as well as my olive oil. Then after everything, I'm going to add the main ingredient, which is the aloe vera juice. And hey guys, show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are new here. But do not forget to click on the bell for notifications. If I post DIYs like this, you will be notified if you click on that bell. So make sure you are clicking on the bell. So right now, we're going to put it back into the blender and blend it away like no one's business. So you make sure to blend it at a very smooth consistency because you want to make sure it is very smooth. So at this point, I'm going to transfer it into a bowl, and this is how it's looking now. This is the consistency you need. It needs to be very smooth. I'm going in with the treatment. I'm working in sections, making sure to get to the root, to the tips, to the ends, every part of the hair. When you're doing this process, you have to take your time and make sure you are getting that product in because the treatment is going to do so many wonders to your hair. And guys, I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Have you tried any of these ingredients in your hair? The egg, avocado, aloe vera, any of them? Have you used them in your hair? And I want to know how it made your hair feel. And also I would like to know if you have tried any protein treatment in your hair, because clearly this treatment is a protein treatment and is really good for our hair to have some protein, but not too much protein though, especially if you have low porosity hair, because if you have low porosity hair, your hair do not need so much protein. I've applied the treatment at every part of my hair, and right now I'm going to leave it on for about 30 minutes. I went in with a shower cap and the clock is ticking. It's been 30 minutes and this is how my hair is looking, guys. You guys come a little closer. Just come a little closer and look at my hair. It is feeling so soft, guys. You should give this a try. I can't even explain how this is making my hair feel right now. You need to give it a try and let me know how it makes your hair feel in the comment section below. Okay, before I forget, do not wash your hair with hot water, because if you do, you'll be picking bald eggs from your hair and you do not want that. So make sure you are washing your hair with lukewarm water, and you make sure you go in with your conditioner as well. And this is how my hair is looking after everything. There is no products in my hair, but look at how my hair is soft and just the shine to my hair. Oh my goodness. You need to try this, guys, and let me know your feedback on it. At this point, I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner, and I use the TGIN leave-in conditioner today. And after that, I'm going in with my DIY oil, and this oil is the bomb, guys. I'm going to leave the link in the description box, so check out this oil. This is oil made out of ginger and cloves, and this oil can do so much to your hair that I cannot even explain. So just check it out and make sure you are making this recipe for yourself. This oil can prevent dandruff, it can prevent dry, itchy scalp, and also help you grow much thicker and fuller hair. You make sure to massage it into the hair. After that, I'm going in with my clove butter. This butter will help moisturize your hair. It will help with hair breakages, hair thinning. If you're losing any part of your hair, your edges, any bald spot, this butter is going to help you. So make sure to check it out in the description box. I'm going to leave the link right there. And after every treatment or every time that you moisturize your hair, guys, you have to make sure to put your hair in a protective hairstyle to lock in the moisture. Leaving your hair out without a protective hairstyle will dry it out and your hair will start breaking. So make sure you always put your hair into a protective hairstyle. And also, putting your hair in a protective hairstyle make you get access to your scalp, and it's a good time to use the DIY oil, the ginger and clove oil, on your scalp to help get rid of dandruff and also dry, itchy scalp. And guys, thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. I hope you have already given this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, I hope you have subscribed and click on the bell. I hope to see you in my next video, but before you leave, make sure to click on the video you see on your screen right now and watch it. You're gonna love it. Bye.